You already know that how to write decimals, isn't it? So place value you already know. So how to draw a place value chart? So this is hundreds, this is tens, ones, tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So this is 100, this is 10, this is 1, tenth, 1 by 10, hundredth, 1 by 100, thousandth, 1 by 1000. Write the following numbers in the place value table. How to write these numbers in place value table? So this is 32.7. So how can we write? This is ones place and this is tens place. After decimal you can see 7. So how can we write? Let's do. So 3 tens, 2 ones. After decimal we can write 7, isn't it? So we can write this is 7. Okay, the next one 84.59. So similar way we can write 4 is in the ones place, so we can write 4 over here, and 8 is in the tens place. Then after decimal what comes? 5 comes, so we can write 5 over here. Then 9 we have to write in 100 place, and 5 is in the 10th place, isn't it? The next number is 287.65. So how can we write this one? So 7 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, and 2 is in the 100 place, isn't it? So after decimal 6 comes, right? So we can write in the 10th place we can write 6, and in the 100th place we can write 5, isn't it? The next one 9.049. So how can we write this number? 9 is in the ones place, so we have to write 9 in the ones place, and after 9 what comes? 0 is in the 10th place, so we have to write 0 over here in the 10th place, and 4 is in the 100th place, and 9 is in the 1000th place, isn't it? The next one 35.007. So 5 is in the ones place, isn't it? So we have to write 5 in the ones place, and 5 is in the tens place, isn't it? So 35.0 is in the 10th place, and another 0 is also in the 100th place, and 7 is in the 1000th place. Is it clear? Write each of the following as decimals. 7/10. 7/10, how can we write a 7/10? 7 by 10. How can we write in decimal form? Which is equal to 10 means in 10 how many zeros are there? Only 1 0 is there. So we can write 0.17. Only one decimal you can see. See, one decimal. From here only one decimal. Then 2/10 and 9/10. 2/10 means 2 by 10 plus 9/10. 9 by 10th. So how can we write in decimal form? 2/10 means 0.2 plus 0.9, 0.9. 0.9. So we get 0.2 plus 0.9. So the answer we get 0.2 plus 0.9. So 9 plus 2, 11. So we can write 1.1 we can write. So we get the answer 1.1. Okay. Next one 14.6. How can we write this one? 14.6 we can write. Isn't it? 100 and 2 ones. So 100 plus 2. So we can write 102. Isn't it? Then 600.8. 600.8. 30 and 1/10. 30 plus 1/10. So how many zeros are here? We only one zero, so we can write 30 plus 0.1. So 10 means only one decimal is there. Okay, so we get 30.1 we get. Isn't it? Is it clear? Okay. Write each of the following as decimal. So 5 by 10, isn't it? So 5 by 10, how can we write? So write each of the following as decimals. So 5 by 10, how can we write? How many zero in the 10? This is 10, right? In the denominator you can see 10. So how many zeros are here? Only one zero. So only one decimal point is the 0.5 we can write, isn't it? So 3 plus 7 by 10. So we can write 3 plus 0.7, only one decimal, 0.7. So we can write 3.7 we can write, isn't it? The next one 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 7 by 10. So we can write 265 we can write plus 7 by 10. How can we write 0.7? So which is equal to, we can write 265.7 we can write, isn't it? The next one 70 plus 8 by 10. How can we write this one? 70 plus 8 by 10. See denominator, how many zeros? Only one zero, so only one decimal we can see. So 0.8 which is equal to 70.8. Okay, 88 by 100. So in the denominator you can see 2 zeros. So how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So we can write 0.88. Isn't it? Then 62 plus, how many zeros in the denominator? Only one. So we can write 62.2 we can write. Okay. Then next one 20 plus 9, 29. So here we can't see any 10th place. Okay. So we have to, in that place you have to put a 0. Then 4 by 100, right? So 4 by 100, how can we write? See 0 by in the place, tens place, nothing is there. So 4 by 100, so we can write how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So we can write 0.04. So we can write 04. How many decimal places over here? 3. So 1. We can write this as, see how to write this one. I will show you. 29 plus 4 by 100 means, how can we write? 0.04. Okay, then 1 by 1000, how can we write? 0.001. So we get, how much we get? 29.041 we get. Okay, clear? Like this we get, isn't it? Okay, next one, 23 plus 2 by 10 plus 6 by 1000. So 23 plus 0.2 plus 0.006. So which is equal to 23 plus 0.2 plus 0.006. So 23, then 0.2, then 0.006. So adding all this we get 23.206.